HFM 200 oil treatment system, operation video. Push up the black button and pull back to open. There is a latch here on the small door. Pull back. There is a limit stop here. Rotate it to lock in place. Pull back to open. Electric control cabinet. Wires are already connected. 3-phase power supply A, B, C. If there is a ground, this is the grounding terminal. Connect the power, turn on the power switch, and power on the equipment. Open this door of the equipment again. Black button. Push forward and pull back. The operation here is the same. Empuje hacia adelante, luego tire hacia atrás. Now connect the incoming and outgoing oil pipes. Push these two forward, connect well, and pull back. Same here, this is the locked state. Turn on the power switch. This provides lighting for the equipment. Start the vacuum pump. This is a vacuum gauge. It shows the vacuum level. All valves must be closed before starting the machine. Vacuum cutoff at this location. This is always open. Vacuum shutoff valve. This is always open. The drain valve below is closed during operation. This valve is an internal circulation valve. The device is always off before being powered on. This is Roots Pump 1. Open it. After powering on, the vacuum gauge reading drops below 2,800. It will start. The display shows 2.8, followed by 3, which means 2,800. Automatic startup. This is Roots Pump 2. Start up. This vacuum level is below 133. You can open the oil inlet valve to let oil in. Open the oil inlet valve. Open the oil outlet valve. Start the oil inlet pump. Check the liquid level through the sight glass. The liquid level in the sight glass drops below this mark, this location. You can then turn on the oil outlet pump. Now, the oil inlet pump will automatically stop when it reaches the high level and automatically start when it reaches the low level. The light is off now, but it's at a high level. Turn on the oil outlet pump. And oil will flow out of the pipe. It's running normally now. Turn on the heater. Because the power supply currently in use is a non-standard voltage, adjusted using frequency converter equipment. Only turn on briefly, then turn off. In actual use, all of them need to be opened. Turn on the heater. Normal operation requires turning on all 3 heaters. Because the equipment is currently being debugged, it cannot meet the requirements. This is a effusion device. It has an alarm function. If there is vaporized oil in this mixture, an alarm will be triggered. Then we need to turn off this valve. Vacuum is released here. Oil is drained from here. If there is oil in this area, an alarm will sound. After you're done arranging, close this window. Open this window. This is the inlet oil pressure. This is the outlet fine filter 1. This is the outlet fine filter 2. If the pressure reaches 0.35 to 0.5, it will alarm and shut down. An alarm and shutdown indicate that the filter needs to be replaced. This is an external vacuum port. It can be used to evacuate an external transformer independently. The valve needs to be closed during vacuuming. These two are for adjusting the oil inlet and outlet flow rates. Clockwise increases flow rate. Counterclockwise decreases flow rate. This also adjusts the oil inlet. Clockwise increases flow rate. Counterclockwise decreases flow rate. Now stop shutting down the equipment. After turning off the heaters, when shutting down the equipment, turn off these 3 heaters first. Run 5, Turn it off after 1 minute. Then shut off the oil pump. After turning off the oil pump, close the oil inlet valve. Then shut down the roots pump 2. After stopping, shut down the roots pump. 1. After the roots pump stops, turn off the vacuum pump. After the vacuum pump stops, drain the remaining oil from the vacuum tank. Then turn off the oil pump. It will stop automatically when it reaches a lower position in the cube. There are 3 liquid levels here. A low position, a median, one of the middle one. Drain the oil to this low level. The oil pump will stop. There is a low liquid level here. However, the indicator light is on. Press to stop working. If you want to drain the remaining oil, press and hold this start button. Press and hold. Only then can all the oil in the lower part be drained. Press and hold to expel air. This proves that the oil inside has been drained. Press stop. Turn off the power. Oil outlet valve closed. After shutdown, the vacuum tank contains a vacuum. The vacuum inside can be released through the exhaust valve. Only then can the oil inside the container be drained through this drain valve. Otherwise, there would be a vacuum inside. The oil cannot be expelled. This is the oil inlet solenoid valve. This is a bypass solenoid valve. This is a manual valve. The manual valve must be kept open and cannot be closed. Oil inlet temperature sensing point. Oil outlet temperature sensing point. Sampling valve.